Probably just picking one province, if we are to say Mashonaland East, if you are there, you've also been on the ground. What is it that you think it is lacking, or what is it that you think can be done in Mashonaland East so that the province and its people can develop?
Well, so you see, what we've had in the past 37 years, as you know, is really the decimation of a lot of the service centers, pretty much in every province. Not just service centers, towns as well. We used to have thriving towns and so on, and this has also really impacted infrastructure and all that. So if you are going to have development in those provinces, some of the things that these gaps that are there will actually be revealed by the presidential residency in that week. You really discover whether there is consistent electricity supply. Are there conference facilities in that place? Are there enough hotel facilities in that place? If you want to encourage, for instance, the National Tourism Plan, which is based on the study which was funded by the African Development Bank, and you want to make sure that each province can also have a thriving tourism sector, you know, are the facilities there? And just the fact that you are there, the focus is there during that presidential week, it will show you the things which are missing. And by the way, during that week, that week's cabinet meeting will be held in that province, because that will also ensure that everyone who is serving as a cabinet minister has really visited every province in this country. You know, so these things are important. And